Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into iOS 26 on iPhone 12 with its A14 Bionic chip and support for the latest Apple's features. So the iPhone 12 remains a strong contender in 2025. How does it handle the new update? Are there noticeable improvements? Let's find out. The iPhone 12 handles iOS 26 like a champ. The A14 Bionic chip combines with optimized software ensures smooth and snappy performance. Whether it's multitasking, gaming, or navigating through apps, the device doesn't break a sweat. Apple's new animation enhanced the feature further, adding a layer of sophistication to every interaction. Apple has introduced a host of visual updates in iOS 26 and they look stunning on the Super Retina XDR display. The squeezed button style in the settings, let me show you, just hold on. Here you can see here the squeezed button styles are designed in settings, fresh wallpapers and updated clock styles make the interface feel modern and refreshing. On the iPhone 12's OLED screen, the design element truly shines with vibrant colors and deep contrast. Talking about control center or notification panel, here you can have a look. I can bring down these widgets, so that's also awesome. The redesigned control center on the iPhone 12 is functional, though it still has some room for improvement in terms of usability. The notification panel, while visually polished, occasionally exhibits minor lag, a quick that feels out of place given the design's powerful hardware. iOS 26 bring Apple Intelligence to the forefront to newer devices, but not for the iPhone 12. iPhone 12 makes good use of like other features, but Apple didn't drop Apple Intelligence for the iPhone 12 in the iPhone 12. Management is a standout, significantly improvement battery's life. I have noticed iPhone 12 now lasts longer even with the heavy usage. A welcome change, that AI powered image search in photos, and another highlight working flawlessly to identify objects, text and screens in your gallery, and that's really good. Let's see if you guys are having battery mode or power mode in the battery or not. So clearly not, because it's an Apple Intelligence feature, so Apple not providing this feature in the iPhone 12. The camera app has been updated with more intuitive UI, make it easier to access settings and capture stunning photos. Here's the look in the video case. You can record or you can change the resolution here. Here are all the details you can change through the options, and if you're looking for more options, here you can click on that particular thing, or you can just swipe up, or either you can hit on that button and you'll get the same thing here, same options here. The redesigned FaceTime interface is a breath of fresh air, and a new card style in the phone app are both functional and visually appealing. So as you guys can see here, new phone layout, try new layout, and this is the new card style layout in the iPhones. The addition of new games and revamped preview app. Here are the two applications, game app, inbuilt game app, and preview app further enhances the overall experience. While the iPhone 12 most of the new iPhone features in iOS 26, some advanced capabilities like special scene in photos is still there in the iPhone 12. You'll be able to see this feature. Let's say, let me open any of the other photo, let's say this photo, and you can see this have the spatial scene feature in this, and you can use this in your wallpaper as well. Now you have a 3D photo, it trying to convert this special scene photo, and now you have a 3D photo in your phone. That looks so cool. However, this doesn't take away much from all the experience. As the device still offers a robust set of tools and features. Let's talk about battery life. It is the one area where iPhone 12 excels with iOS 26 thanks to adaptive power management, but it's not here in the iPhone 12. I have noticed a marked improvement in battery backup. Whether I'm streaming, browsing or using application, the phone easily lasts through the day. even the moderate to heavy usage. So iPhone 12 on iOS 26 worth installing on it? Absolutely. The update enhances performance, introduces new features, and bring a polished look to the user interface. While it doesn't include every new feature, the improvement in battery life usability make it a must-have for iPhone 12 users. Let me know in the comments about your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, like to channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.